The fuel tank is full, but your vehicle won't start. One reason your vehicle doesn't start may be the fuel pump. An initial diagnosis of the fuel system should involve checking that the fuse and fuel pump relay are working properly. The symptoms listed here will help you troubleshoot the no-start situation. Before changing the fuel pump, make sure all electrical connections and fuel lines are disconnected. Another possible cause of failure could come from the fuel pump control unit. Be sure the area around the fuel pump is clean before working on it to ensure no contaminants get into the fuel supply. The float can be checked with a multimeter. Always insert fuel delivery modules during installation in such a way that the markings are directly opposite each other. We have a wide range of fuel pumps and delivery modules, as well as the appropriate fuel pump control units for your needs. For a successful installation, be sure to follow the installation tips we've provided. Using your scan tool, make sure there are no errors being reported in the fuel pump control unit. It's that easy to make your car safe again with the right spare parts.